Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to show you how to create the Iron Man animation only using one picture. How's that possible? Don't worry guys, because this video we will show you the step by step to do it. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you can do is open the Pixverse here, and if you are not the user of it, then don't forget to install it first from the Play Store if you are the user of Android, or if you are the user of the iPhone or the iOS, then you can install it from the App Store. And you can simply click application if you already install it. And also don't forget to do the login or sign up first, so this application will earn you several credit over here. Well, basically as the new user, this application will give you 60 credit daily and it will be renewed at UTC 0. So it is basically uh, based on your time zone. Let's say if you are living in Indonesia, then the credit will be renewed at 7 a.m. following the Western Indonesian time. So let's go back to the animation. Since we would like to create the animation of the Iron Man, then I will choose this searching section. Then I will choose, or I will type the template Iron Man. As you can see, this is the template that we will use. Then you can just simply click this and it will direct you into the gallery. Then you can select your favorite photo. And as you can see here, this animation will need 20 credit to do the generation. And since we have 40 credit in the home page over here, so it will be enough. So I will choose again the Iron Man, click this, or you can go to the use template, select the picture from the gallery and generate it. This application will need a time to generate the video, so kindly wait. And you can also explore more about the template that you would like to try or experiment with it. And you can also see or watch another creation from another user. And since we received the information or notification here that our video is ready, then you can go to this section, the notification, and let's see the result. Ooh, how cool is that? So guys, you can also share this video into your favorite social media, or you can also download this video. And if you have another credit to do, then you can upscale this video, but it will need 50 credit to do. So that's all guys from me. Don't forget to try it by yourself into your phone and let us know if this tutorial also worked for you guys. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.